In this video, we explore how you can make studying more efficient and less stressful by using the world of artificial intelligence. Enter a realm where technology becomes your friend in learning. Today, we're exploring 5 AI tools that can revolutionize your academic journey. First on our list is Grammarly. This intelligent writing tool is no ordinary spell checker. It's like a personal English teacher, highlighting grammatical errors, suggesting vocabulary enhancements, and even detecting plagiarism. With the power of AI, Grammarly ensures your essays, emails, and reports are clear, concise, and error-free. Moving on, we have Khan Academy. This platform offers personalized learning resources for a wide range of subjects. The AI technology behind Khan Academy tracks your progress, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and recommends content based on your performance. It's your personal digital tutor, available round the clock. Next, we introduce Quizlet. This AI-powered tool transforms the way you memorize. It creates learning flashcards tailored to your needs, helping you review and remember information effectively. With Quizlet, you're always prepared for your exams. Our fourth tool is Socratic by Google. Stuck with a tricky homework problem? Just snap a photo and Socratic will provide instant explanations, step-by-step solutions, and even related videos. It's like having a homework genie at your fingertips. Finally, we have Wolfram Alpha. This computational engine takes you on a journey from question to answer, showing you every step in between. Whether you're solving complex equations or researching historical data, Wolfram Alpha is your go-to tool for in-depth learning. So there you have it, 5 AI tools ready to transform your academic journey. From improving your writing with Grammarly, personalizing your study sessions with Khan Academy, memorizing effectively with Quizlet, solving problems using Socratic, to exploring deep learning with Wolfram Alpha, these tools have you covered. Explore them today and elevate your learning experience. Remember to subscribe for more educational tips. Here's to smarter, more efficient studying. Thank you for watching. In a world where time is precious, we appreciate the moments you've spent here and hope you have taken away something useful. Every moment spent learning illuminates our path forward and helps us complete those extra miles. We venture into the unknown, gaining new insights as we go. Each video on this channel is another chapter for you to explore. There are always new discoveries to be made. Let curiosity be your guide. Until next time, keep seeking, keep questioning, keep learning. Wishing you peace, love, and happiness. Now hit subscribe and like. Thank you.